What are the main types of brain tumors?
Brain tumors are categorized according to their brain tissue origin and how fast they grow.
Fast-growing brain tumors are known as high-grade tumors, while slow-growing ones are known as low-grade tumors.
In this video, we will discuss, and in no particular order,
some of the most common brain tumors. 1.
Appendamoma.
Appendamoma is a tumor that originates from ependymal cells which together form the appendama.
The appendama is a type of brain ciliated epithelium, known as neuroepithelium, which forms a thin membrane lining the brain cavities, ventricles, and the central canal of the spinal cord. Appendamoma is caused by mutations in genes that control the growth of ependymal cells.
They are categorized as slow-growing, low-grade, which includes grade 1 and grade 2, or fast-growing, high-grade or grade 3.
2. Meningioma. Meningioma is a common type of brain tumor that originates from the membranes that cover the brain and spinal cord and are known as meninges. The causes of meningioma are not well known, however, mutations in genes that control the growth of the cells within the membranes of the meninges may be involved.
Meningiomas are classified as low-grade or slow-growing or grade 1.
The most common ones. Mid-grade or atypical meningiomas are grade 2, and fast-growing or anaplastic meningiomas are grade 3. 3. Astrocytoma. Astrocytoma is a brain tumor that originates from a type of brain cells, known as astrocytes.
Astrocytes and oligodendrocytes, another type of brain cell, are also known as glial cells. Astrocytes are star-shaped cells involved in supporting nerve cells, neurons, by providing nutrients,
repairing nervous tissue following injury or infection, and regulating blood flow in the brain. The causes of astrocytoma are not known but may involve genetic and immunologic anomalies. Astrocytoma is categorized into the following grades. Astrocytoma grade 1, also known as pilocystic astrocytoma, is a low-grade tumor with slow growth. Astrocytoma grade 2, also known as low-grade astrocytoma, is a tumor also characterized by slow growth. Astrocytoma grade 3, also known as anaplastic astrocytoma, has a faster and more aggressive growth compared to astrocytoma grade 3. And astrocytoma grade 4, also known as glioblastoma multiforme, is the most aggressive and deadliest primary brain tumor. 4. Medulloblastoma.
Medulloblastoma is a brain tumor that arises from cells in the cerebellum whose functions have been altered by chromosomal abnormalities.
However, the type of affected cells is not well known and may involve cerebellar stem cells.
This type of brain tumor mostly affects children but can also affect adults but at a much lower frequency. 5.
Craniopharyngioma. Craniopharyngioma is a rare brain tumor that arises from epithelial cells located between the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland.
However, the causes of this tumor formation are not known.
Craniopharyngioma is a very slow-growing tumor that affects children and adults over the age of 50.
6. Oligodendroglioma. Oligodendroglioma is a tumor that originates from a type of glial cells known as oligodendrocytes. Oligodendrocytes are cells that provide support and insulation to the neuron's axons through the production of myelin that covers the axons.
Although the causes are unknown,
it mainly develops in the frontal and temporal lobes of the brain.
Oligodendrogliomas are categorized as grade 2, very slow-growing, and grade 3 or anaplastic oligodendroglioma, very fast-growing.
7.
Brainstem glioma. Brainstem glioma is a tumor that is originated from glial cells, astrocytes, in the brainstem which connects the cerebellum with the spinal cord and controls body functions such as heart rate, breathing,
and swallowing.
Brainstem gliomas mostly affect children and young adults under the age of 20 years but can also affect adults.
Unfortunately, the causes of brainstem glioma are unknown.
Because brainstem gliomas are typically considered astrocytomas, they are categorized as astrocytomas grades 1 to 4.
8.
Pituitary adenoma. A pituitary adenoma is a tumor that develops from tissues in the pituitary gland which controls most of the functions of the endocrine system including growth, reproduction,
metabolism, stress, and pain.
The pituitary gland controls these functions through the secretion of many hormones,
including ACTH, GH, prolactin, FSH, LH, TSH, MSH, beta endorphins, vasopressin, and oxytocin.
Pituitary adenoma are categorized as benign adenoma,
invasive adenoma, or carcinomas, also known as epithelial tumors, but are also based on their ability to secrete hormones.
They affect about 1 in 5 people during their lifetime and are usually slow-growing,
harmless, and less invasive. 9. Schwannoma. Schwannoma is a rare tumor that develops from Schwann cells that produce the myelin sheath which covers and insulate nerve cells in the peripheral nervous system.
Although the causes of schwannoma are unknown,
schwannoma tumor cells are characterized by an abnormal growth compared to that of normal Schwann cells.
Depending on the affected peripheral nerves,
schwannoma can affect different parts of the body, such as face, vestibule, or spinal cord root, through its compression effect on nerves. 10. Optic nerve glioma. Optic nerve glioma is a rare low-grade tumor that develops around the optic nerve, causing vision problems. It is mostly detected in children at the age of 5 years. In conclusion, brain tumors are classified based on the area or region of the brain tissue origin and how fast they grow.
Depending on the affected tissues,
brain tumors can affect brain function through compression or excess production of hormones. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this.